Hello and welcome. Today we'll learn how to navigate menus, ribbons, tabs, and toolbars in Microsoft Excel. This is the Excel interface. So at the top you can see that we have the home, that is the default tab, and after the home you can see insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. As you can see, when I click on home, it is showing me a ribbon that is just below the tabs. So if you click on insert, you can see a ribbon that is showing all the groups. As you can see that this tables is a group, illustrations is a group, add-ins is a group. If we go to the home tab, you can see this clipboard is a group, this font is a group. So inside the groups there are all command buttons. So this is a command button, so each command button does a specific job. So as you can see that this command button showing as B for bold, so it will bold any text that is selected. So as you can see inside the groups that not all commands are listed. So what you can see, there's a small button in the lower right corner. There is an arrow pointing downwards. So if you click on it, it will expand and it will show you more functionalities that is not available in the groups. So as you can see that if we click on this format cells, you can see this some of the things that the protection tab, it is not inside this group. So you have to click on this small button to get more functionalities. So the important tab that we can see at the top is the file. So if we click on the file tab, you can see the screen that was showing you when you first open the Microsoft Excel software. So as you can see, there are some important commands, that is the new, open, info, save as. So this the important one that we usually do is that use the new. If you click on the new, it will open a new Excel file. If you want to open an existing Excel file, you can click on open. You can click on print for printing. If you click on options, you can see some more options. So I will show you one very interesting thing. So if you click on the options, so in the options you can see we can do something called changing the office theme. So if you click on this colorful and if you click on black and click on OK, you can see the interface is now black. So you can change the theme. Let's go back, click on the file tab, click on options, and then click on colorful and go back to the previous state. So there is another interesting option that if you see at that very top left corner, there are some shortcut icons. So you can see that the first one is save, this is the undo, this is the new, and this is the open. And if you click a small arrow that is pointing downwards, you can click on it and add some more quick access toolbar icons. So if you click on email, it will show this email icon. If you click on it, it will easily do the functionalities. And there are some more things that we can do. We can hide the ribbon if you want. You click on this small arrow that is pointing upwards. So if you need more space, you can use this small arrow to hide the ribbon. To unhide the ribbon, what you can do, you can just click on the tab and then click on the small pin button, and it will again go to the previous state. So by default, when you open Excel, you will get a new sheet. There's a sheet 1, and you can see the Excel is having the rows and columns, and we'll know more about these things in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next videos.